Here we are today, Sean GWS. The van is all nice and smart now the signs are on. It's more professional when we do our quotes. Just at this little bungalow today, and what we're going to do, get the moss off the roof. I'll just show you what we're going to use. It's got a tarpaulin down ready. We'll move this along as we get the moss off. It's going up the henchman ladder. Just put some tissue in the gutter and the downpipe to protect it. Just using the Henchman Pro ladder, over 8 pole, the attachments on the end. Got the KTC compressor set up, which you can buy from FPS compressors in Oxfordshire. Again, we have 3 of these machines because they're not very reliable. They are good when they're working, so we have 3. Got 2 air lines. Mel's just got a tarpaulin ready. She's blocked the gutter up at the end. On the other henchman ladder, just going up this side. Lots of lichen on the roof. This will disappear. It will take about a year once we put the biocide on it. Just done a little bit of the moss removal now using air. Just getting ready now to clean the gutters out with a vacuum.